Hey there. I wanted to take a second at the end of it all, at the end of your learning journey, to just say this one thing, and that is thank you. I know your time is valuable. We have limited time on this earth, and you decided to spend your time and your money, frankly, with us, doing something that takes a long time to learn. So truly, from the bottom of our hearts, I know it sounds cheesy, but thank you for dedicating your time and effort to this course. I hope you got what you wanted out of it, and congratulate yourself for getting this far, because a lot of people have hopes of learning, but they give up along the way. But you didn't do that. You worked through the challenges, the problems, and you got here. Now, your learning journey doesn't end here. It keeps going. But I hope this created a foundation for you to go off and learn things on your own, get a promotion, get hired, start a new business, whatever it may be. Again, thank you and best of luck with your learning journey. This is just the beginning of whatever you decide to do in the future. So thank you and good luck.